Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the invitation code function in the Google Classroom application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the classroom that you created. You will find this in a previous video. And then just click on the settings button. And then just scroll down and at the general section, click on the three dots next to the student invitation settings button. And then just click on the turn on invitation codes button. And as you can see, a class code appeared and you can invite students through this. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.